My dear favorite 8th graders, we have here a small revision of a chapter which you're finding it very difficult, and the name is factorization. So let's have some explanation on this chapter, factorization. So the question for all this will be same. Main question for all this will be same, will be factorize. So let's understand the first question. 6xy minus 4xz. In this, factorize means you need to write factors for all. So first 6 factors of 6 are 2 into 3 and xy will be written same, x and y, x into y. So again 6xy is written as 2 into 3 into x into y minus 4xz will be written as 2 into 2 into x into z. Now, very important, after understanding these factors, you need to learn and understand take out common. Take out common. What is common in both? 2 is common. So bring out this 2 common one time. I will circulate this 2 and this 2 are common. One more time. This x and this x are common. So whatever is common, remove them out. 2 comes out and x comes out. Now, always after removing out common, take what is left in bracket, inside the bracket. So put a bracket. Now what is left? See here, 3 is left, y is left. So 3y. Now minus is left, so minus, and 2 is left and z is left. So 2z, sum over. Small, like little steps, 2 to 3 steps, and your sums will be over. But little bit you need to apply. One more time, write factors and bring out common. One more time, write factors and bring out common. So this is your answer, 2x bracket 3y minus 2z. We wrote the factors of 6xy. We wrote the factors of 4xz. We removed out what was common once, and what was not common, we wrote that in the bracket. Second sum we'll try to do and understand. Here we have 2x cube plus x square minus 4x. One more time, 2x cube plus x square minus 4x. Now remove the variable का lowest power as common. Variable का lowest power means x इधर cube है, x इधर square है, x इधर 1 है. तो lowest power is x raised to 1. That comes out common. रिमेंबर वेरिएबल का हमेशा लोएस्ट पावर कम्स आउट कॉमन. तो यहाँ पे x1 है, पावर 1, तो x1 कम्स आउट कॉमन. नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? अगेन दैट विल गो इन द ब्रैकेट. 2 इज लेफ्ट यहां से. अभी इधर से x क्यूब में से एक x बाहर चला गया, सो x स्क्वायर रिमेन्स, सो x स्क्वायर कम्स इनसाइड. वन मोर टाइम, ये तीनों x में से 1x कम्स आउट कॉमन. सो फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 2x square plus, now from here x square, 1x comes out common, so again 1x is left, and last minus 4x में से x comes out common, so only 4 is left. Third sum, 27 a cube b cube minus 45 a raised to 4 b square. Concept is same. दोनों टेबल में जो बिगेस्ट फैक्टर है वो हम कॉमन लेंगे. लाइक सी यू कैन नोटिस यहाँ ये 3 के टेबल में आता है, दिस ऑल्सो कम्स इन 3 टेबल. ये 9 के टेबल में आता है, दिस ऑल्सो कम्स इन 9 टेबल. सो टेक द बिगेस्ट नंबर कॉमन आउट, बाहर ले लो. सो यहां से 9 को बाहर डालो, ब्रिंग 9 आउटसाइड कॉमन. Now a cube or a raised to 4 में से again the lowest power comes out common. a cube यहाँ से comes out common. So 9 came common from both, a cube came common from both. Now b is also common. So b cube है और b square है, lowest power again. So lowest power b square comes out common. So you understood how we have 9 common, how we have a cube common, how we have b square common. Now same thing again and again. Whatever is not coming out, put in a bracket. So start a bracket. 9 boards are 27, 3s are. So 9 here and 3 will come inside. So यहाँ से a cube came out common. So b cube में से b square came common. So 1b is still left. So 1b we wrote here. b raised to 1. One more time. 27 और 45 में से 9 came out common. A cube came out common. Here we have b cube. So b square came out common. So what is left? 1b is still left. So that 1b comes here. Minus 9 words are 45, 5s are. So 5 is inside the bracket. And from a raised to 4, a cube came common. So 1a is still left. So a 5a raised to 1. यहाँ से b स्क्वायर पूरे का पूरा कॉमन गया. सो b स्क्वायर को कॉमन ले, a क्यूब को कॉमन ले और 9 को भी कॉमन ले. So what is remaining in the bracket is 3b minus 5a. Next sum is pretty easy. If you see this, there are 3 terms, but the method is same. Bring 4a minus b common. Bring 4a minus b common. 4a minus b ko common le. Now, what is not coming common out? Put that in one bracket. A comes plus 2b comes and minus c comes. Easy sum. From this, little tricky sum, little tricky. 8 and 10. The next question we are on to. Next question now. 8 and 10. We have 2 4s and 2 5s. So 2 is common. So from here and here, from both the terms, we took 2 common. So 2 came out common. Now you see the bigger term is 3a minus 2b the whole square and 3a minus 2b raised to 1. So which is the lowest power again? Lowest power is 3a minus 2b raised to power 1. So 3a minus 2b raised to power 1 comes out common. यहाँ पे 2 बार है, यहाँ पे 1 बार है. तो 1 बार कॉमन ले. क्या? 3a minus 2b. 1 बार कॉमन ले. So now what is not coming common? Obviously you know it goes in a bracket. So now for 8 के टेबल में 2 बाहर आया. तो 2 words are 8 which is 4. So 4 comes out in bracket. From 3a minus 2b the whole square, one time 3a minus 2b came out. So one more time it is left. So we will write here 3a minus 2b one time. And last, from the second term, 10 में से 2 came out common. So 2 words are 10. So we have 5s. So 5 is the last which is remaining here. 3a minus 2b नहीं आएगा. क्यों? Because it's raised to the power 1 और वो बाहर चला गया. So one more time, 8 or 10 में से 2 comes out. 3a minus 2b the whole square and 3a minus 2b whole raised to 1. इसमें one time 3a minus 2b comes out common. So अभी जो बच्चा that you put inside the bracket, like 8 में से 2 came out, तो 4s are. So 4 we wrote here. 3a minus 2b the whole square में से एक बार 3a minus 2b came out. So one more time is left. And last term में से 2 words are 10, 5s are, that much is only left. Now simply writing this same, just multiply this. 4 3s are 12 and 4 into 2 will give me 8b. So this is our final answer. Any query, still you can call. Sixth sum. Now this is a polynomial where we make pairs. दो का group we need to make. First pair and second pair. Now consider only first pair. What is common in both 5 and 20 में? What is common? 5 is common. X also is common. So 5 is common and X is common. Bracket. What is left now? Y plus 5 odds are 20. You know that 4s are. So that comes in the bracket. Just one more time for this. 5 और 20 में से 5 common, x और x में से x common. Now what is left? Y is left plus 4 is left. 5 4s are 20. Now going on to the second term. -9 और -36 में से -9 कॉमन ले, bracket. What is left now here? Y is left. Now remember one thing, when minus sign comes out common, always the sign changes in the bracket. So here we have plus, and 9 words are 36, which is foza. One very small thing to remember, always first bracket and second bracket will come same. So y plus 4 and y plus 4 again comes out common. Now what is left? 5x and then minus 9. So 5x in one bracket, minus 9 in another bracket. Remember one thing, you can interchange this bracket, answer is not wrong. So these were the easiest sums of factorization.